Hello students, good morning everyone. Already I have completed Unit 2 Prose 2 When the Trees Walked by Ruskin Bond. Is it clear to you all? Okay, now I am going to recall all the three sections in very short. Okay children, come we move on to recall. In section 1, we have seen how author spends his time with his grandfather and grandmother in a village and the area was planted with more and more trees. In section 2, grandfather explains him the importance of trees and why we grow forest. Forest is the place which gives shelter for animals, birds and also gives food for them. And in third section, we saw author settled down in abroad and also came back. At last, grandfather's dream had came true. Now we are going to cover question and answers. Okay children, listen carefully. Okay, what did my grandmother feel about trees growing in the house? Did grandmother like to grow trees, children? Okay, come we move on to first answer. Grandmother did not mind growing trees in the house, but she liked to grow flower garden. Instead of growing big trees, grandmother liked to grow flower garden. Is it? Okay, now we move on to second question. Why did the author leave town? In third section, we saw that author left the town. Why did he left? Yes, very good. The author left to town to have his education in the boarding school. To have his education in the boarding school, he left the town. Now we move on to third one. How did grandfather's dream come true? The trees which the author and the grandfather planted long ago had multiplied. They were walking again. In that way, grandfather's dream came true. In third section, we saw that grandfather's dream came true. Is it? How did we know that grandfather's dream come true? The trees which the author Ruskin Bond and grandfather planted very many years ago and had also multiplied. So, by this we can say that grandfather's dream come true. Now we move on to fourth question. Describe what the author saw when he went back to the island. Fourth answer is, when the author went back to the island, he noticed smaller trees, wild plants and grasses had sprung up under their protection. He saw a big forest in his island, is it? Long ago, grandfather and Ruskin Bond had planted so many plants and it had grown as many trees. And now we move on to another book back exercise, that is take the most appropriate option. Okay children, come we move. First one, according to the author, the Tendril was moving towards the grandfather because it... Why did Tendril move towards the grandfather? Because it wanted to be near grandfather. See, all the four options are given and the correct option is it wanted to be near grandfather, so it moved towards the grandfather. Now we move on to second one. Grandmother had wanted the peepul tree cut down because... Why did grandmother wants to cut down the peepul tree? They have given four reasons, but the correct option is she wanted to grow flowers. So grandmother wants to cut down the peepul tree. Is it clear to you children? They have given you the options. Okay, I am just underlining it. That is the correct option. Okay children, now we move on to third one. Grandfather helped grandma out with the gardening because he... Why did grandfather helps grandmother in gardening work? Because he wanted to grow flowers to attract butterflies. And then we move on to fourth one. The author did not want to plant saplings in the forest because author Ruskin Bond did not want to plant little plants because no one would come to see them, because no one will come to the forest and see them. So author Ruskin Bond did not want to plant any saplings. Saplings means very small trees in the forest. So first one is the correct option. And now we move on to fifth question. Grandfather felt planting trees would help the forest because. Why did grandfather felt planting trees would help the forest? Because the riverbed was dry. Because the river was very dry. So grandfather felt that planting trees would help the forest. Is it? Now we move on to sixth one. When the author returned from England to Dehradun, he found grandfather's dream had come true because the trees had red flowers. They planted very small saplings in the forest and it grown as very big trees and also had some red flowers in it. So by this, author found that grandfather's dream had come true. Okay children, I hope all the six choose the correct answers are very clear to you. Is it kids? Okay, in this video I have discussed question and answers and also book back exercise. Choose the correct option. Okay children, now we are going to move on. Mind map. Already we saw first prose mind map in sea turtles lesson. Now it's mind map for second prose when the trees walked. First one, follow these arrow marks carefully children. Please follow the given arrow marks. Okay. First point is grandfather built a bungalow and planting trees all around. And second point is during the rains grandfather walked into the jungle armed with cutting and saplings to plant in the forest. And third point is they found a small rocky island and grandfather planted number of tamarind, laburnum and coral trees saplings. Is it? Now we move on to fourth point. During the Second World War, the author was sent away to the boarding school. And fifth point is, some years later, the author returned and visited the old house and walked towards the riverbed. And sixth point is, he looked around and noted small trees, wild plants and grasses had sprung up under their protection. This is a short recap and now I am going to explain by point. Okay children, first point, grandfather built a very big house and planted so many trees all around his bungalow. And second point is, during rainy season, grandfather walked into the forest with some of the saplings and to plant in the forest so that it would become very big forest. And third point is they a small rocky island and grandfather planted number of tamarind, laburnum and coral trees saplings. He found a small island and there grandfather plant very number of trees like tamarind tree, laburnum tree and also coral tree saplings. And fourth point is during the Second World War the author was sent away to the boarding school. And some years later, the author returned and visited the old house and walked into the riverbed. Now, he looked all around and noticed the small trees and very wild plants and also noticed some of the grasses had grown under their protection. This is how the short recap of these when the trees walked prose. Is it clear to you children? Now, in this video, I have covered book back exercise, question answers and also mind map. This mind map gives you clear attention of this prose. I hope this video is very helpful to you and please follow our instructions. Do your homework correctly and submit it in your Google Classroom children. Please respect our hard work and do your best children. Okay, now it's time for your today's assignment. Today I covered all the exercises, is it? And you are going to write only 4 question answers which I have discussed in this video. Is it clear to you? First I have discussed 4 question answers. You are going to write all the 4 question answers only one time. Thank you children.